Hello everyone, today's menu will be chili hash browns. It's loaded with hearty flavors and creamy goodness. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Okay, let's go over the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have ground beef, sharp shredded cheese, a can of chili, a can of sloppy joe, chopped onions, a can of diced green chili, a can of tomato sauce, garlic powder, and some good old shredded hash browns. Okay, on medium-high heat, we're going to add in the ground beef. And then you just want to break it up. And then we're going to add in the onions. And then some garlic powder. This part is optional, but I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper just for some heat. And then you just want to give it a stir. Okay, this looks good. And then you just want to cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes or until it's no longer pink. And make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and in a large bowl, I'm going to add in the chili. The sloppy joe. The tomato sauce. And the diced green chili. And I'm pouring with the juice and all too. We're going to add in the 1 cup of sharp shredded cheese. And then the hash brown. And make sure that you thaw before using. And then the cooked ground beef mixture. Okay, and then we're just going to mix them all of them to combine. This looks amazing. And if you want to add a little bit more greeneries, you can go ahead and add a little bit of some frozen spinach. Or if you don't care for green chili, then you can go ahead and just dice up some green bell peppers. But this is perfect. Okay, my casserole dish, I already sprayed a little bit of olive oil on the side and on the bottom to coat a little bit. And then I'm just going to dump in the mixture just all over it. And then I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit evenly. Okay, and then now I'm just going to top it off with the remaining shredded cheese all over it. You can go ahead and use any cheese that you like. I love sharp cheddar cheese, so that's what I'm using. Okay, I'll dump in the rest of them. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven. Here is the end result of the chili hash brown casserole, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. It looks and smells amazing. Okay, let's go for this bite right here. Mm. You guys, that was so delicious. You can taste a little bit of sweetness, saltiness, spiciness, and cheesiness. It was perfect. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, the measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.